Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create your TextPlus account. So first of all, let's head over to our Play Apple Store, and download the necessary things. I think we might need VPN. Let me see. Let's update you. Well, let's just go ahead. Let's check it out. Let's just go ahead and download the TextPlus first. So we download. We just wait for you to finish downloading. It shouldn't take a while. And mind you, you can see I'm already connected to VPN. So I'm not doing it without VPN. I'm already connected to VPN before I start recording. Take note of that. I don't know, my network is kind of slow. So let's download. Yes, nice. So I'm cutting here. 1, 2, 3. So now let's download and open. So once you open, we tap on continue with Google. And we continue. Here I'm already signed into this Google account. So yours, if you're not signing it will just bring out the Google that already signed in on your phone. So you just select any of your desire and get started. If you don't want any of that, or you don't have any, you can just tap on use another account to register or create new accounts. So all here is just network. Continue. I don't know. The app do take time like this, but at this current moment, I think my network is also contributing to the delay. Alright, you can see we're in now. Let's get your number. Tap on get your number. So yeah, just the policies and everything. Next. Read that abstract, choosing to experience this and your introduction. Update the tracking. So here we allow. Here, just select any random country code of your area code of your choice. Let me look for this one and try. Continue. Trying to go for this free trial. So if you go for the free trial, you get the number, and we try and see what we do. So tap on try for free. So here is just the fee and everything. You are not getting charged. So if you go for your free trial, for you to be able to get the premium number, you can see purchase successful. So let's wait and see. Okay. Okay. Network. I don't know. I think this is my network. Seriously, this is my network. Okay. Should I close the app and open again? Don't even know. What's wrong here now? This is my network. Hold on, let me just wait and see for a while. If it will not work, then I have to close the app and open again. I think this is network. I don't know. Open. Close it. I don't want to tap anything for it to go back. Let me just try and wait and see what it will bring. So that's sorry, no find you. I don't know. This sound like this looks like my network. No. Let me scroll down. Three. Let me go for this three thing. I'll continue this number. This. 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 Continue. It's wrong now. Okay. Let's wait. Let's just wait. I believe yours should be more faster. Though the app is a little bit slow as well, but yours should be more faster than this. I think my network is also contributing to this factor that is delaying like this and just misbehaving. Let's just wait patiently. Try close now. I'm just let me close this then. Definitely it's getting too much. Wow, okay, sharp. So like I said, it was the network, and you can see I've already claimed my number, and here is the number. There is the number. So that's it. That's just it on how to create this TextPlus account. You don't have to go through a lot of stress. You see, you can say. Though it was kind of stressful today, but this is just it. Creating TextPlus is easy, so just follow the steps like I do. Go for the free trial. So once this free trial ends now, what they will do is they will try and cancel the free trial and try and charge the card. So which I will cancel the free trial. I'm no longer interested. So my number will still be with me. The only thing they will do is you can be seeing ads in my account. Like currently you cannot see any ads due to I'm on premium, but after that you'll be seeing advertisement and all. So that is the that's just it on how to get your TextPlus number and stay safe. Thank you for watching.